Come on, other YouTubers, let's do it like this. You hold it, maxed out, dump the clutch. It's not that difficult to do. You'll hear it go, yin, 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 yin. It does that. That's what you guys need to do to give us more entertainment. I'm tired of these kind of full sends. Full send, guys. Tired of that. This is the full send I want to see. You ready? Hey guys, welcome back to QUADNATION, and as you can see, I have the beautiful DS put back together again. She's looking meaner than ever, and I'm going to go full send, the likes of which you never see on YouTube. But before I do, and we're headed up to the fuel station, so you'll get to see me ripping on the highway. But before we go there, let me show you the all-new rear end. Over $2,000 in parts. If you didn't know, the rear end blew out. It was a total disaster. I was so upset. I was so worried that old girl would be down for far too long. Very, very difficult. Extremely difficult to get a hold of stock OEM parts for this 09 CanAm DS. I caution you, if you're going to buy a CanAm, an older one like this, be wary. Make sure the quad is in good shape, and if it does need parts, upon purchase, make sure you're able to get a hold of these parts, because I'm pretty certain, if I'm not the last, I'm one of the last to ever buy a brand new OEM swing arm. They were discontinued, but I found one sitting on a shelf in Texas. So brand new swing arm, brand new axle, sprocket hub, disc, sprocket, bearing carrier. It's all new, guys. Look how beautiful it is. It feels great knowing that it's all new in the back now. It should hold up for many, many years to come. CanAm, baby, please don't let me down. All right, before I go full send, the likes of which you never see on YouTube, let me tell you one thing right quick. We're going to be lining up a stock DS against a stock Raptor. What do you guys think? Which one do you think will be faster? Also, we're going to be doing top speed runs and dyno runs. So be looking out for those videos. Here we go. Full send, the likes of which you never see on YouTube. Hold on. That QUADNATION, that was not good enough. Let's show YouTube what's good enough. Hell yeah! Power shifting! Hit that rev limiter! Holy hell, that seat is slippery! Woo! Oh, good save, QUADNATION. Hold on. What the hell's wrong with you, QUADNATION? Get it, QUADNATION! There we go! Get it, QUADNATION! Hell yeah! Get it, boy! Yeah! Get it, boy! Get it, QUADNATION! Oh shit, here come some dogs! Oh hell, bye-bye doggy! Finally! Finally somebody's letting Quad Nation go! Alright, time for another full send. Shifts. Get it, boy. Hold on to her, Quad Nation. Time for another full send. Get it, Quad Nation! Time for another full send. Full send, baby. Oh, I guess that means another full send. Oh, that was third gear. We get to do it again. Come on.
YouTubers, let's do it like this. You hold it, maxed out, dump the clutch. It's not that difficult to do. You'll hear that. It does that. That's what you guys need to do to give us more entertainment. I'm tired of these kind of full sends. Full send, guys. Tired of that. This is the full send I want to see. You ready?
Here, just in case you missed it, let me show you one more time. You YouTubers who do not know how to do this, ready? Here we go. It's simple. Click it into second, hold it full send. That's simple, guys. Promise you, it won't hurt it. You just might have to rebuild it. All right, here we go. Guys, Quad Nation 929, I'm out.